Oh man, I'm so wet. Dude. It is really freaking wet out here.
Hi, hey, this is Hans, the Ramen Rater, coming at you with another episode of Instant... Excuse me, Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles, and today we've got this one. This came by way of Ferengi from Australia. Thank you very much. This is Migelas. Sup, Buntut. Noodle, galas. Cup. Like a glass. Anyway, very small. So we're going to take, but it's a cup. And we're going to add the noodle block. Going to add all the noodles. We're going to add our seasoning base. So I was going to tell you, let me tell you now. So not the last review, but the one before that it went good. It was a Chinese variety. It was a rice noodle with a very thick, oily kind of broth thing going on. Well, we had an accident, folks, a big accident. That's not enough water. That's certainly not enough water, right? Well, that's probably exactly enough water. Okay. And we're going to do that for 3 minutes. So what happened was I did the review, or I did the episode, everything went well. Brought it back over. It was kind of high in the bowl, like there was a lot of it, and it was hot, and I set it down a little too abruptly on the stove, and it splooshed over. It was a mess, and yeah, that was Monday. Now it's Wednesday. Or Wednesday. And last month, or the month before last, was February, not February. There's an R in there. But anyways, yeah, it was a big mess and it smelled, and my wife was like, what's that? Is that what I'm smelling? Yeah, there was an accident. Oh, I'm smelling that. I'm like, yeah, I'm sorry. But that happens. From time to time, not too often. Usually, the only time it happens is when I have something in that kind of situation. It's just like too much of something, and it's just not. It's not gonna end well, and I already know it's not gonna end well, so it doesn't end well. And frankly, it just sucks. So, anyway. Yeah, we got the sun wants to come and go. It's like, give me the cloud diffused sun. I can work with that. But then I'm like looking at the floor right now, and I see the window, the light coming from the window on the floor. When it gets sharp, like the edges are defined, that's a problem. But when it gets like now, the edges are very, very diffused and blurred. That's what I'm looking for. But on the last one I did, on the pictures for that one, it was like midway through being diffused. And so I gave it a shot. We'll see how the picture... Now it's like stronger light again. Yeah. This is usually a day when I'll put up the poster and clip it to the blinds and use that. But I don't want to do that today. What I want to get is basically like a big white piece of like construction paper and have it laminated and have it have just like little S hooks on it, and just if I absolutely have to do it, lower the blinds a little bit and just hook it up. And if I need to take it down, just go. Just real easy. I think that'd work best, and it would be way more diffused rather than using a poster for the movie God of Cookery. So yeah, this is the folder of music I don't usually use because it does have like vocals in it. All right. A slight crumble to the noodle. Oh, you're gonna get to meet our new friend. Interesting. So yeah, oxtail soup flavor. It's got kind of almost like a gamey kind of interesting thing going on. Generally not my favorite flavor. Not horrible. Let's just do it like that. Now we gotta try to pour this in. There we go. There's that. We are indeed going to use an egg. Because I want to make my recent eggs that I made go away. I'm going to use that one. Made these this morning. They're prepared eggs. How do I prepare them, you ask? Well, I boil them. And then I peel them. And then I give them a bath. That's how I do it. They're soft boiled, so you get that nice jammy yolk, as they like to call it in some circles. I think that's kind of an odd term. But the jammy yolk eggs are a hit with the people. But you're going to get to meet our new friend. I got this yesterday. I've been like stoked. This is we've got a fruit stand. So ways, but it's worth it. And they have plants too. And this is our new friend, Minty the Wondermint. Hey, Minty. So I'm going to use my magical scissors and snip off a little bit of the living tissue from old Minty. Right there. So we will add a little mint, a sprig, if you will, right in there. I usually only use mint with like Singaporean, Malaysian. It's a nice addition. If you're not somebody who uses mint a lot, I highly recommend checking it out. We want to move that. Want to move that mint, sucker. Yeah, that's a little better. And we'll add a little bit of sesame seed. I don't know how regionally accurate that would be, but in this region in my kitchen right now, I kind of figured it would look nice. And some crushed red pepper. Okay. So there you go, a Migelas sop Buntut Verata for your view and pleasure. And our friend Minty, the Wonder Minty plant, because that's fun for you. So, Rotato, do your thing. All right, well, thanks for watching. The next one you're going to see is one from China by JML, and this is Super Stew beef flavor. Yeah, all right. This has been Hans the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one. Bye-bye.